Today, I'll be explaining how to install the latest firmware update. First, press the menu button. Once you see the settings icon, press OK. Next, press OK for network and internet. Using the down arrow, scroll to the system icon and press OK again. Using the down arrow once more, scroll to the About Phone icon. Then press OK. To see the available system updates, press OK again. Next, use the down and left arrow keys until you see the download icon highlighted. Then press OK. Using the down and left arrow keys once more, navigate to the Install Now icon. Then press OK. Your phone will then restart. You will then see the installation in progress. Once this is complete, your phone will boot up again with the firmware fully updated.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you found the content useful, feel free to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. I also like to introduce our very own cell phone service, Jethro Mobile Prepaid Plans. Whether you just need talk and text only or unlimited data service, we have the plan just for you. All of our unlimited plans include international calling and texting to Canada, Mexico, and more. However, we also understand that not all customers need to have data with their plans, so we designed a talk and text only plan that starts as low as just $5 per month. Jethro Mobile was born in 2019 in Bellingham, Washington because we realized that most of the wireless companies don't provide services for all types of customers. That is why we decided to build our very own plan with affordable, flexible, and reliable services. All of our plans are contract-free with no credit checks or hidden fees. For more information, please click the Jethro Mobile plan link below or visit us at jethromobile.com. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.